really know your fundamental rights? Let's put your knowledge to the ultimate test with 50 carefully selected MCQs that can make or break your exam score. Here is the first question. Which of the following is not a fundamental right? A. Right to equality. B. Right to property. C. Right to freedom. Or D. Right against exploitation. Answer: B. Right to property. Next question is, right to property is now A. Fundamental right. B. Constitutional right. C. Legal right. Or D. Natural right. Answer: B. Constitutional right. Here is the next question. Which article provides the right to practice any profession or carry on any occupation, trade or business? A. Article 19, 1. G. B. Article 20. C. Article 21. Or D. Article 23. Answer: A. Article 19, 1. G. Moving on. Freedom of conscience is guaranteed under A. Article 19. B. Article 20. C. Article 25. Or D. Article 27. Answer: C. Article 25. Moving on to the next question. Which article prohibits employment of children below 14 years in hazardous occupations? A. Article 21A. B. Article 23. C. Article 24. Or D. Article 26. Answer: C. Article 24. Next question is, the right to form cooperative societies was added by which amendment? A. 42nd Amendment. B. 44th Amendment. C. 86th Amendment. Or D. 97th Amendment. Answer: D. 97th Amendment. Here is the next question. The writ of habeas corpus is issued for A. Releasing a person unlawfully detained. B. Protection of fundamental duties. C. Preventing illegal occupation of property. Or D. Quashing orders of lower courts. Answer: A. Releasing a person unlawfully detained. Next question is, which writ means to be certified and is used by higher courts to review the decisions of lower courts? A. Mandamus. B. Certiorari. C. Prohibition. Or D. Quo warranto. Answer: B. Certiorari. Moving on. Article 30 provides for A. Cultural and educational rights of minorities. B. Right against exploitation. C. Right to equality before law. Or D. Freedom of religion. Answer: A. Cultural and education rights. On to the next question. Which fundamental right is available to both citizens and non-citizens? A. Right to freedom of speech. B. Right to form associations. C. Right to assemble peacefully. Or D. Right to equality before law. Answer: D. Article 14, which is right to equality before law. Here is the next question. The 86th Constitutional Amendment made which right a fundamental right? A. Right to information. B. Right to education. C. Right to privacy. Or D. Right to food. Answer: B. Right to education. Moving on. Which article prohibits human trafficking? A. Article 23. B. Article 21. C. Article 27. Or D. Article 24. Answer: A. Article 23. Here is the 13th question. Freedom of speech and expression is subject to A. Absolute freedom. B. No restrictions. C. Reasonable restrictions. Or D. Judicial discretion only. Answer is C. Reasonable restriction. On to the next question. Article 27 deals with A. Freedom of religion. B. Freedom from payment of taxes for promotion of any religion. C. Cultural rights. Or D. Abolition of titles. Answer: B. Freedom from payment of taxes for promotion of any religion. Next question is, which fundamental right was described as a sacred right by the Supreme Court in Mahatma Gandhi case? A. Right to property. B. Right to personal liberty. C. Right to religion. Or D. Right against exploitation. Answer B. Right to personal liberty, which is Article 21. Question 16 is, which writ is issued to a person holding public office without legal authority? A. Mandamus. B. Prohibition. C. Certiorari. Or D. Quo warranto. Answer D. Quo warranto. Moving on. In which landmark case did the Supreme Court declare that fundamental rights cannot be amended to take away their essence? A. Golaknath case. B. Minerva Mills case. C. Keswananda Bharti case. Or D. A.K. Gopalan case. Answer C. Keshwananda Bharti case. Freedom to move freely throughout the territory of India is guaranteed under A. Article 19, 1. C. B. Article 19, 1. D. C. Article 19, 1. A. Or D. Article 19, 1. G. Answer B. Article 19, 1. D. Next. Right to information is a part of which article as interpreted by the courts? A. Article 14. B. Article 19, 1. A. C. Article 21. Or D. Article 32. Answer B. Article 19, 1. A. Which is right to freedom of speech and expression. The 20th question is, protection against double jeopardy is covered under A. Article 20, 1. B. Article 22. C. Article 23. Or D. Article 21. Answer B. Article 22. Next. Article 19 guarantees how many freedoms? A. 8. B. 7. C. 6. Or D. 5. Answer C. 6. Moving on. Which of the following can impose reasonable restrictions on fundamental rights? A. The Parliament. B. The President. C. The Supreme Court alone. Or D. The Executive. Answer A. The Parliament. Here is the next question. Which of the following is not a ground for reasonable restrictions on freedom of speech? A. Public order. B. Morality. C. Contempt of court. Or D. Economic development. Answer D. Economic development. On to the next question. Who can directly approach the Supreme Court under Article 32? A. Only Indian citizens. B. Any person whose fundamental right is violated. C. Only state governments. Or D. Only legal entities. Answer B. Any person whose fundamental right is violated. Here is question 25. The writ of mandamus means A. We command. B. To forbid. C. By what authority? Or D. To be informed. Answer A. We command. Next. Article 15, 3. Empowers the state to make special provisions for A. Children and elderly persons. B. Economically weaker sections. C. Women and children. Or D. Scheduled tribes only. Answer C. Women and children. Next question is, untouchability is abolished and its practice is punishable under A. Article 17. B. Article 19. C. Article 23. Or D. Article 24. Answer A. Article 17. On to next question. During a national emergency, Article 352, which rights get automatically suspended? A. Articles 14 to 18. B. Article 19. C. Article 21. Or D. Article 32. Answer B. Article 19. Next question is, which fundamental right ensures the protection of interests of minorities? A. Article 29. B. Article 23. C. Article 18. Or D. Article 14. Answer A. Article 29. Moving on. The concept of fundamental rights in India is borrowed from A. United States Constitution. B. British Constitution. C. French Constitution. Or D. Canadian Constitution. Answer A. United States Constitution. 31st question is, which article defines the term state for the purpose of Part 3 of the Constitution? A. Article 13. B. Article 12. C. Article 14. Or D. Article 19. Answer. B. Article 12. Moving on. Which of the following articles guarantees equality before law? A. Article 19. B. Article 21. C. Article 14. Or D. Article 25. Answer. C. Article 14. Question 33 is, which article deals with the protection of life and personal liberty? A. Article 19. B. Article 20. C. Article 21. Or D. Article 22. Answer. C. Article 21. Here is the next question. The right to education as a fundamental right is guaranteed under A. Article 24. B. Article 15. C. Article 23. Or D. Article 21A. Answer. D. Article 21A. On to next. Prohibition of discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth is covered under A. Article 18. B. Article 16. C. Article 17. Or D. Article 15. Answer. D. Article 15. Next. Which article abolishes untouchability? A. Article 17. B. Article 18. C. Article 19. Or D. Article 20. Answer. A. Article 17. 37th question is, which article guarantees freedom of speech and expression? A. Article 19. 1. A. B. Article 20. C. Article 21. Or D. Article 25. Answer. A. Article 19. 1. A. 38th question is, the right to freedom of religion is contained in which articles? A. Articles 19 to 22. B. Articles 23 to 24. C. Articles 25 to 28. Or D. Articles 32 to 35. Answer. C. Articles 25 to 28. Next question is, which article provides protection against arrest and detention in certain cases? A. Article 21. B. Article 19. C. Article 20. Or D. Article 22. Answer. D. Article 22. Moving on. The right against exploitation is dealt with in Articles A. 17 and 18. B. 25 and 26. C. 23 and 24. Or D. 19 and 20. Answer. C. 23 and 24. Last 10 questions to go. Here is the next question. The right to constitutional remedies is given under A. Article 31. B. Article 32. C. Article 33. Or D. Article 34. Answer. B. Article 32. Question 42 is, who called Article 3 to the heart and soul of the Constitution? A. Sardar Patel. B. B.R. Ambedkar. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. Or D. Rajendra Prasad. Answer. B. B.R. Ambedkar. On to next. Which article empowers the Parliament to restrict or abrogate fundamental rights during emergency? A. Article 33. B. Article 34. C. Article 35. Or D. Article 359. Answer. D. Article 359. Moving on. Article 18 deals with the abolition of A. Untouchability. B. Titles. C. Forced labor. Or D. Child labor. Answer. B. Titles. Here is the next question. Which article guarantees freedom to manage religious affairs? A. Article 25. B. Article 26. C. Article 27. Or D. Article 28. Answer. B. Article 26. Here is the 46th question. Freedom of assembly is guaranteed under which clause? A. Article 19, 1, B. B. Article 19, 1, C. C. Article 19, 1, D. Or D. Article 19, 1, A. Answer A. Article 19, 1, B. Last three questions left. Article 29 safeguards which right? A. Cultural and educational rights of minorities. B. Right to education. C. Freedom of religion. Or D. Right against exploitation. Answer A. Cultural and educational rights of minorities. 48th question is, right to privacy has been declared a fundamental right under which article? A. Article 19. B. Article 20. C. Article 21. Or D. Article 22. Answer C. Article 21. Here is the 49th question. Which fundamental right cannot be suspended even during emergency? A. Right to move freely. B. Right to form associations. C. Freedom of speech and expression. Or D. Protection in respect of conviction for offences. Answer D. Protection in respect of conviction for offences. Also Article 21 which provides for right to life cannot be suspended. Here is the last question. Which of the following article empowers socially and educationally backward classes? A. Article 14. B. Article 15, 4. C. Article 16. Or D. Article 17. Answer B. Article 15, 4. Like the quiz? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more MCQs that simplify your exam prep. And tell me in the comments, how many did you get right? See you in the next video.